In this video, we're going to be looking at the standard form of the line and how do you identify linear functions. First, we need to look at what is standard form. That is, ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are integers, and a is positive. So let's look at an example where we change standard form into slope-intercept form. On the left example, the first thing I'm going to do is move 3x to the other side by subtracting it to get negative 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. This was done with the subtraction property of equality. Now what I need to do is divide the entire equation by negative 2, giving me y is equal to 3 over 2 x minus 3. And this was done using the division property of equality. But what if I had a more literal equation like ax plus by is equal to c? I'm going to solve this in the same steps I did on the left example. I'm going to subtract ax from both sides to get by minus ax plus c. I'm then going to divide everything by b to give me y is equal to negative ax over b plus c over b. In the third example, we're asked to graph an equation in standard form. So first we need to draw a graph and give it scale lines, and I gave it 4 in each direction. Here I'm looking for what the y-intercept is. When the y-intercept is x equals 0, then negative y is equal to 4, or y is equal to negative 4. So I plot that point onto the graph. It's at this point we need to know what an x-intercept is, or on the x-axis where the line's going to cross it. This is found when y is equal to 0. I can substitute the value 0 into the original equation to get 2x is equal to 4. And by solving for x, I get x equals 2. So I mark 2 on the graph and connect this with a straight line. I have now graphed that standard form equation. A good keynote about the x-intercept is that is where the line crosses the x-axis. So I draw a line connecting the keynote to its piece of information. Remember, math wants to be your friend, so friend it and follow it on social media, or it might follow you forever.